Hello, and welcome back to QuickBooks with Fredrick. I teach CPA level accounting and QuickBooks. My name is Fredrick. Today is topic 5, part 1, cash, book, and bank reconciliation. By the end of the series, you will know why your cash book and bank statement never match and how to fix it in QuickBooks. Let's start. Slide 2. What is a cash book? What is a cash book? It is a book of original entry that records all cash and bank transactions. Think of it as your record of what happened in the bank and in your cash box. Every business must keep a cash book. Slide 3 to 2 sides of cash book. The cash book has 2 sides. 1. Debit side. This is for receipts, money coming in. Example, cash sales, money banked, debtors paying. 2. Credit side. This is for payments, money going out. Example, rent, salaries, buying stock. Slide 4. Cash book format. This is the format of a 2-column cash book. Date, details, LF, bank, cash. Date, details, LF, bank, cash. At the end of the month, we balance it to get the closing balance. Slide 5. Why cash book is important. Why is the cash book important? 1. It is your main record of all cash movements. 2. It helps you know how much cash you have. 3. It is the source of information for the trial balance. 4. Auditors and KRA will ask for it. No cash book, no control of money. Slide 6. Common mistakes in cash book. 3 mistakes to avoid in cash book. 1. Forgetting to record bank charges. 2. Recording receipts on the payment side. 3. Not balancing the cash book monthly. Always double check your entries. Slide 7. Cash book example. Example, 1 Jan, cash sales 10,000 debit cash. 2 Jan, paid rent 5,000 by check credit bank. 3 Jan, received from customer 20,000 debit bank. After posting, you balance to know your balance. Slide 8. End of part 1. That is part 1 done. We have covered what a cash book is and how it works. In part 2, we will learn what bank reconciliation is and why differences occur. See you in part 2. Welcome back to part 2. Part 1, we covered the cash book. Today, what is bank reconciliation and why don't the 2 records match? Slide 10. IUHAT is bank reconciliation. What is bank reconciliation? It is the process of matching your cash book with the bank statement. Goal: to find out why the 2 balances are different and to correct them. We do this every month. Slide 11. Why they don't match. Important: your cash book and bank statement will never be the same on the same day. Why? Because of timing differences. Slide 12. Reason 1 and 2. Reason 1. Unpresented checks. You have issued a check and recorded it, but the supplier has not gone to the bank to cash it. Reason 2. Uncredited deposits. You have banked money and recorded it, but the bank has not cleared it yet. Slide 13. Reason 3 and 4. Reason 3. Bank charges. The bank has deducted charges, but you have not recorded them in your cash book. Reason 4. Direct debits and standing orders. The bank has paid on your behalf. Example, insurance, but you forgot to record it. Slide 14. The reasons. Other reasons. 5. Errors. You recorded wrong amount. 6. Interest earned. Bank added interest. You didn't record. All these cause differences. Slide 15. Whose record is correct? So whose record is correct? Both can be correct. That is why we reconcile to find the truth. Slide 16. End of part 2. That is, part 2 done. Now, you know the 4 main reasons for differences. In part 3, we will learn the first steps of doing bank reconciliation and the format. See you in part 3. Welcome back to part 3. We know what causes differences. Now, learn how to reconcile. Slide 18. The 4 steps. Bank reconciliation in 4 steps. Step 1. Update the cash book. Step 2. Tick matching items. Step 3 is unmatched items. Step 4. Prepare reconciliation statement. Slide 19. Step 1. Update cash book. Step 1. Update cash book first. Add items that are in bank statement, but not in cash book. Example, bank charges, interest, direct debits. After this, get your updated cash book balance. Slide 20, Step 2 and 3. Step 2. Tick all items that appear in both cash book and bank statement. Step 3. List the items that are not ticked. These are unpresented checks and uncredited deposits. Slide 21, Step 4 Format. Step 4. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. We start with updated cash book balance. Format. Cash book balance, XX, XXX. Add, uncredited deposits, X, XXX. Less, unpresented checks, X, XXX. Equals balance as per bank statement. Slide 22, Reconciliation example. Example, cash book balance, 50,000. Add deposits not credited, 10,000. Less checks not presented, 5,000. Balance as per bank, 55,000. It must agree with bank statement. Slide 23, why important? Why is this important? 1. Prevents fraud. 2. KRA and auditors require it. 3. Know your true bank balance. 4. Avoid bounced checks. Slide 24, end of part 3. That is part 3 done. We have covered the process and format. In part 4, the final part, we will do it in QuickBooks in 2 minutes. See you in part 4. Bank reconciliation in QuickBooks. Slide 26, Step 1. Banking Reconcile. Slide 27, Step 2. Select account. Enter statement date. Enter ending balance. Slide 28, Step 3. Tick all cleared transactions. Difference must be 0. Slide 29, Step 4. Click Finish now. Report is generated automatically. Slide 30, Summary. Cash book equals your record. Bank statement equals bank record. Reconcile equals find differences. QuickBooks equals for clicks. Slide 31, Homework. Reconcile your last month. Comment reconciled below. Slide 32, Outro. Like, share, subscribe. I am Fredrick. Next, Topic 6 Depreciation. God bless.